stealing the spotlight, understanding, steal the limelight. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard before, steal the limelight. We'll explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay with us to become more fluent and confident in your English speaking skills. The phrase, steal the limelight, refers to capturing all the attention or becoming the center of interest in a particular situation. When someone steals the limelight, they overshadow others and become the main focus, whether intentionally or unintentionally. This can happen in various contexts, such as during a performance, at a party, or in a meeting. To truly understand this phrase, it's helpful to know where it comes from. Limelight, originally referred to a type of stage lighting used in the 19th century. This lighting technique involved heating lime to produce a bright light, which was then directed at the stage to highlight the main actor or actress. Therefore, being in the limelight meant you were the focus of the audience's attention. Over time, the phrase evolved into steal the limelight, indicating someone who takes over the focus, sometimes even from those who were supposed to be in it. Let's see how to use steal the limelight in various contexts. In social settings, at the party, Julia danced so wonderfully that she stole the limelight from the birthday girl. In professional contexts, during the presentation, the new intern stole the limelight with his innovative ideas. In media and entertainment, the supporting actress stole the limelight with her performance, earning more praise than the lead. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting seamlessly into conversations about social events, work situations, and even discussions about movies or plays. Understanding phrases like steal the limelight not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English language and culture. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase and inspired you to use it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.